Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to unlist a video on YouTube channel. Why would you want to know how to unlist a video on YouTube channel? Well, maybe it is your first time using YouTube and not sure how to unlist a video on YouTube channel. So today I am going to show you how to unlist a video on YouTube channel. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Unlisting a video on YouTube channel is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open a browser. Now write youtube.com in search bar. Now you are seeing different buttons in top. Click on logo at the top right corner. Click on YouTube Studio. Now in YouTube Studio on left side, you are seeing content. Click on it. Now you are seeing all videos. Click on a video you want to unlist it. Now in bottom right corner, you are seeing visibility. Click on it. Click on unlist and then click on done. Then click on save. Now no one will be able to see your video on YouTube except those you will share link with. There you go. If you wanted to know how to unlist a video on YouTube channel, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.